supportive teammates, to our worthy opponents, to our fair and honorable adjudicator, and to our beloved audience, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. First of all, as the leader of the opposition, I would like to present to you the resolution of this sign. This House firmly believes that sex education should not be allowed in schools. As opposed to what the Prime Minister has said, she said that with sex education it would decrease the rate of pregnancy abortion and we will be able to have safer sex. I believe that with the use of birth controls and contraceptives, you will acquire more diseases because it causes diseases like cervical cancer and breast cancer. The implementation of sex education is possible in our country, but many Filipinos still protest about it because of many inconsistencies they are finding about it. Now I will present to you our points and arguments with regards to our strong disagreement to sex education. Sex education teaches about safe sex, which involves condoms and contraceptives. There is no such thing as safe sex. It merely implies the safety of sex because it decreases the rate of infection in pregnancy. It's like you're telling them that sex is fun, but there are some risks, so wear a condom and you will be fine. As a matter of fact, these things occasionally fail, which might lead to abortion and other problems with regards to sex. Birth control pills, which are a kind of contraceptive, interfere with the woman's immune system, making her more prone to STD, breast cancer, liver cancer, and cervical cancer. Sex education should be taught at home, not at school. It should take place in the safety of the family or home. Sex is a confidential and personal topic.
POI.
Yes?
What if the parents don't want to teach their children about sex?
If the parents don't want to teach their children about sex, that's the only time that you need to ask for someone. But I still believe that blood relatives are more appropriate because sex is really a confidential topic that should be talked about within the walls of the home. Sex is a confidential and personal topic. The parents or guardians are the ones who have the best interest of the child at heart and are therefore the best qualified to teach them about it. Condoms and hormonal contraceptives are of course very effective, but they need to be used properly in order to work well every time. If you do not want someone to do an action, you do not teach them how to do it. How tempting for that person it must be. So if you do not want someone to have sex before marriage, do not teach them to such degrees when they are way too young to even do it. The best way to reduce the rate of pregnancy and sex-related diseases like AIDS is promotion of abstinence and chastity. Abstinence is not having sex before marriage, while chastity is a virtue that applies to a person's sexuality. That's all. Thank you.